What's going on YouTube, man? This is your Brand here, and we're finally back with another unboxing video, man. So today we're actually going to be unboxing something from Gear Art. Gear Art, they was friendly enough to go ahead and send us over 4 of these boxes. These all 4 come with a iPhone 12 Pro Max case, and they are, I mean, phenomenal. I love them all. I seen them on the website, and I was just like, I got to have them, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video, unbox everything. But before we go ahead and do that, make sure you all go ahead and do me a big favor, subscribe to the channel, like on this video, and make sure you hit that bell for some more daily content, man. Let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. Like I said, Gear Art, gotta check the website out, man. I mean, if you don't check the website out, something is strongly wrong with you. I know everybody's tired, man. You know, we got these new iPhones coming out 24/7 every year, every September to be exact, probably October, probably November, probably December, who cares? But your cases are just plain ugly, man. Like, they're straight up ugly. You always get the same black case, always get the same white case, probably even a purple one. But why not go ahead and check out Gear Art, man? I mean, the website, it breaks down everything. It gives you everything that you want. You can try all of these cases, honestly, for a very low price. You can even join their affiliate program as well. And maybe they'll send you over some cool gear like this, man. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video, man, right after this. Alright, man, let's go ahead and get into box 1 right here, man. I don't know where my knife went, man. I'm gonna say that somebody in this house stole my fancy knife, but we're gonna use some scissors. Man, these... Let's listen to the ASMR right quick if we can. That's all y'all get. I swear. Alright, man, so they already got a fancy box. I hope nothing pop out and scare me, but this is that box. Let's go ahead and pop a bad boy open. I mean, fancy, just freaking fancy, bro. Come on, man, this fancy already. Open this box up. Oh, I'm tripping. Oh, okay, all right, I like that right there, man. I have to set this down. I was like, I'm gonna set the baby down right quick. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all ready for this? Let me get a drum roll right quick. Yo, tell me, man. Come on now, Gear Art. Come on, man. This is gonna make y'all phone pretty, bro. If y'all do not buy this, what is going on with y'all, man? This is... Come on now. I know y'all probably like, I found it somewhere else. You can't... Oh my God. Yo. Come on now. Come on. A freaking comfortable case that can be on your freaking phone 24/7. Hello, Gear Art. I need more of these ASAP. Thank you. Bruh. I like this. Let's go ahead and get into the next one, man. I like this. I think I might put this on my phone right now. I'm using my phone to record. Wow, Gear Art. Phenomenal, man. I mean, nice packaging. Let me just show y'all how I opened it up once again. Right there, and pull this apart. It came exactly like this. Open all these flaps up, and I mean, it was just sitting like right there, man. I love it. Good presentation. The box, you guys are just showing that your company, you know, y'all not here to play around. Y'all here to stick around, man. I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. ASMR. I'm a failure. All right. Hopefully y'all like that one. All right, same thing, man, with this one. Let's go ahead and see what's in box number 2. Hopefully I can get it opened up properly for y'all this time, man. Let's go ahead and open up flap number 1. We do number 2. Number 3. Oh, snap. Is that a blue case? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where's you at? Uh-oh. Oh my god. It's so messy in here. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. Okay. Y'all seen the box. Y'all probably won't get the box no more. Alright, man. Case number 2. Once again, it's come on, man. Come on, yo. These cases are straight beautiful, man. Coming from a man's perspective as well. I don't care. These are freaking, like, I will wear both of these right now. I do not care. Alright, let's move on to box number 2. 3. I said 3, not 2. Oh god, oh god. Blooper. Alright, here's some more. They probably in the video when I edit. Y'all probably ain't gonna be here nothing at all. Probably just over here. What are you talking about, CJ? Nothing. Another blue cake. Ooh. I'm talking about the other one. Boy, this mother look fire, yo. Wow, I like this one right here too. This is, oh wow, I didn't even peep that. Look on the side of it. It actually has their logo. Y'all probably can't see right there, but it even says Gear Art. Wow. Once again, like I said, man, you open them up, all their cases feel the exact same. They even got like a nice Velcro pattern on the inside as well to keep your phone, you know, your phone is going to be protected. Well, that's all I'm going to say when it's up in here, man. That's number 3. Oh, snap. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute, Gear. Oh. What? Yo, are you serious? Yo, this is straight dope. Wow, so it's like they give you like a little stringy thing. So a stringy thing. I guess you can put this in your key technically, or you can also attach it to the phone through these little 2 little holes right here. I think so. No, don't hold me if I'm not wrong. I mean, if I'm wrong to that, but that. Okay. We got some like Gear Art stickers. These will be going on some of my products I got in my room. We got some more Gear Art stickers. And this right here is Scan for Surprises. I can't show. Oh! Y'all can't see that. Let me check in the other ones, man. See if I got them. Wow, each and all so all of the cases come with the same exact thing, it looks like. So this is box number 2. Same thing, Gear Art. Y'all can see my QR code again. Oh, well. Let me go ahead and let y'all. Go ahead and scan it. Go ahead, man. Y'all can have that. Y'all can have that at the web. Y'all can have that at the web. Y'all can get it. Y'all get it. Y'all got it. That right there. So it looks like on this card right here, they're going to give you away some free wallpaper. So I guess that you can get the wallpaper that, you know, whatever case you got. So that's pretty dope as well. Wow. I wish I would have known about Gear Art a long time ago, man, when I first got my phone. This company is beautiful, man. But let's go and open up the last and final box. Big number 4. ASMR. Oh my god. I don't rip the box. Oh, my paper. Alright, man. Obviously, I can't cut paper. I need my knife. I'm gonna have to go buy me some more unboxing knives tomorrow. Alright. Whew. Last one. I hope it's another blue one. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So, yeah. Big sexy box. Okay, we got this right here. Okay. I'll dig this one. It's beautiful too. Oh, I don't know which one I want, yo. I don't know if I want the blue one, this one. This one. I lost the case. Oh, found it. Or this one, bruh. Oh my god, I think I like this one. But hold on, man. There's something else in this box. They gave us a bonus case or something? Or this accidental? Or this is a... Bro, this is a support. I think this is a support. But my other boxes don't have... Oh, they did. I'm drove. They all got the same thing. Let me go ahead and... Hold on, man. Let me go to rip this open real quick to see if I got something in here. Ah, okay. No, there's nothing in here. It's just cardboard. Okay, cool. We making so much dang on noise. Jeez. Gear Art. Thank you. These cases are just straight up phenomenal. I ain't lying. Dude. I want stuff. I got cases. Like, bro, look at this. Like, come on, you can't tell me that if you don't go ahead and buy one of these for your phone right now, you cannot tell me that your phone won't look cute. Man, your phone is gonna have to look cute. I don't care what you say. I got a black phone case on right now. I'm about to trade it out for one of these bad boys. And I don't know, I think I like this one the most, man, because it's like the pattern. But then this one is screaming out to me too. But I'm gonna go with this one, man. This is gonna be the case I put on temporarily. Oh yeah, y'all. I don't know. I have nothing bad to say. I never will have anything bad to say about your company. You got it out so quick. She told me 2 days. It literally was in here in 2 days. In 2 freaking days. So fast shipping. Make your phone look cute. Get your girlfriend one. Her birthday coming up very soon. Get your girlfriend one. Your mama birthday coming up soon. Get your mama one. They got it for all the iPhones out right now, I believe. So they was like, what kind of iPhone you got? I said 12 Max Pro. I mean the 12 Pro Max. So I don't know if they got the iPhone 4. I hope you don't have the iPhone 4. I hope you got something up to date. But man, that's all we got for today's video, man. I am souped about these freaking phone cases. I will be shopping with Gear Art a lot much more. And also, if I can get me an affiliate link from them, I'll promise you guys I will come back and post that right under this bio for this video. You know, help a brother out, help y'all out. You know how, Gear Art, yeah. All right, man, but that's all we got for the video, man, today. I really hope everybody enjoyed all the videos. Not all the videos, but all the phone cases, the ASMR, the unboxing, man. We're gonna be back with some more. I'm about to upgrade some stuff in my house for my gaming setup, man. So stay tuned for some more action on CJ Brand's channel. Until next time, we is out. Peace.